The UK goes to the polls again on Thursday, December the 12th for the third general election in the space of 4 years. So what's going to happen? And if you fancy a bet on what you think the outcome will be, how do you do that? Well, at Spreadex, our traders have put out their predictions of how many seats they think each party will win. As you can see, we're predicting the Conservatives to get between 337 and 345 seats, Labour to get between 216 and 224 seats, SNP to get between 43.5 and 45.5 seats, and the Lib Dems to get between 19 and 23 seats. This prediction would mean the Conservatives adding significantly to their current 298 seats, Labour falling back from their current 243 seats, and would mean Boris Johnson getting the majority he needs to try and push through his Brexit plans and see the UK exit the EU on the January the 31st deadline. Now, if you don't agree with these forecasts and take a different view, how can you try and profit from your convictions? Well, with spread betting, you simply go higher, or you buy on the spread if you think a particular party will get more than the Spreadex prediction, or you go lower, or sell on the spread if you think a particular party will get less than the Spreadex forecast. So let's take the Conservatives, for example. If you expect them to get more than 345 seats, you would buy at 345, and for each seat above that level, you would win the difference multiplied by your stake. So let's say you place a £10 buy bet at 345, and the Conservatives end up with 355 seats, then you've made £100 profit. But if the Conservatives end up with 335 seats, then that £10 buy bet would have lost £100. As with spread betting, you can lose more than your initial stake should the bet go against you. This works exactly the same for sell spread bet. So let's have a look at Labour as an example here. If you expect Labour to end with less than 216 seats, you would sell at 216, and for each seat below that level, you would win the difference multiplied by your stake. So let's say you place a £10 sell bet at 216, and Labour end up with 206 seats, and you've made £100 profit. But if Labour end up with 236 seats in this case, then that £10 sell bet would have lost £100. You can use this principle to bet on any of the party's seats prices, or even on the predicted turnout percentage, which is 67 to 68%. And looking back at the last two general elections, 2017 turnout was 68.8%, while in 2015 it was 66.2%. If you compare this way of betting to fixed odds betting, you'll see it differs, and it offers quite much more scope in trying to profit from an accurate prediction. E.g., our fixed odds prices for the Conservatives to win most seats is 1 to 100, meaning you'd have to put £100 bet on just to win £1. And for the Conservatives to get a majority, the fixed odds price is 2 to 5, meaning here a £100 bet would return £40 in profit. As always, the important thing to bear in mind with spread betting is that you can lose more than your initial stake should the bet go against you, which of course is not the case with fixed odds betting. To find out more about spread betting and fixed odds betting with Spreadex, visit our website www.spreadex.com.